There's a valley that lies among verdure-crowned hills, and a beautiful river flows through it. This river was fed by the most sparkling rills in the days when the first men knew it. And these children of nature gazed into its reach, reflecting the blue of the sky. And they gave it the name in their guttural speech of Muskingum, which means the elk eye. Dame Nature was here in her primitive state, but the time was drawing apace when the sons of New England would settle a date to soften the look on her face. The elk eye rolls down from the north as of old, but its current is hindered and stayed by works that have called for both courage and gold, such dams as the beaver ne'er made. No dugout canoe on its surface now floats, and the dip of the paddle is still, but the echoes are waked by the puff of the boats and the buzz of the wheels at the mill. The dear old Muskingum, we bear it today in almost idolatrous love. May its beauties and blessings continue always, we beseech the kind Father above. WOUB presents the next installment of the Emmy Award-winning series, Our Town,